Hello everyone, my name's Joelle and welcome to this 10-minute standing yoga practice. You don't even really need a mat for today. Just bring yourself and a little bit of positive energy. And we'll begin with the feet hips width apart, just rolling one shoulder back and then the other. And you can let yourself kind of sway side to side here, get the neck involved. Start to notice how the body is moving as you now lift the elbows up and back. Big sweeping circles. And then last little move here, taking the entire arm up and back, alternating sides, maybe getting a little bit bigger each time. Deep inhales and exhales through your nose. And last one, very nicely done. Now plant your right hand to your hip and reach your left arm up and over. Big side body stretch here. And on your next exhale, round forward into a forward fold, bending at the knees. Take hold of opposite elbows and begin to sway a little bit from side to side. Releasing the neck, releasing the lower back. Still feeling things out here. And then press into the feet to slowly roll your way back up to standing. We'll try the other side. So right arm reaches up and over, left hand to your hip, pressing the hips out towards the right. And exhale to fold forwards, letting the upper body hang. And you can catch those opposite elbows again, and this time straighten one knee and then the other. So the legs do not have to come completely straight. We're just kind of noticing sensations here. Maybe a little bit easier to straighten one leg compared to the other, perhaps. And then bending both knees, again, press into the soles of the feet to roll your way back up. Head and neck are the very last. Now I'll just turn to the side so you can see what we're doing. We'll take a few half sun salutes. So on your inhale, lift the arms up towards the sky, palms together. Exhale, forward fold, generously bending the knees. Inhale, halfway lift, fingertips on your shins. Exhale to fold once more. Roll your way up and inhale the arms back to the sky. Exhale to prayer in front of the chest. And again, inhale the arms up. Exhale, swan dive forward, release the neck. Inhaling up halfway. Exhale to release. And then roll your way back up. Inhale the arms to the sky and exhale back to prayer. Beautiful. Now step your left foot forward, still keeping the feet about hips width apart. We'll come to pyramid pose by inhaling the crown of the head forwards so that the back is straight. Keeping the hips aligned here, both sets of toes pointing forwards. You can bring your hands to your waist. And on your next inhale, squeezing the abs to lift your way back up. And let's widen the feet, turning the toes out for a few goddess squats here. Inhale to lower, exhale to squeeze and lift. Just a few more times here. And then turning the toes to find that pyramid pose with the right foot forwards. Inhale to find length in the spine and exhale to fold. And your fingertips might find the mat, or they can just stay at your waist, keeping engagement through the abs to lengthen through the entire spine. And on your next inhale, raising yourself back up, very nice. We'll bring the feet together now. And we'll come to a tree pose. So either keeping your right toes to the mat, or maybe bringing the sole of the right foot to the inner left thigh. Find a spot to focus on with your gaze. You can bring the hands to prayer, or again, just keep them at your waist. Finding your breath again. Squeezing the abs to help with balance, and then setting that foot down. We'll just take it to the other side, choosing how high you'd like to bring that left foot against your right leg. And if you fall out of it, no worries, we all do. Again, finding that spot with your eyes. And once you're ready, exhale to set that foot back down, really nice. We'll widen the feet once more, about twice as wide as your shoulder width, with both feet pointing forward, and we'll just bend into one knee and then the other. So a little swaying motion here, side to side, have some fun with it. And you can keep the hands at the waist as you bend forwards, keeping the right knee bent, maybe bringing the fingertips to the mat. Probably feeling sensation in the inner left thigh. And sway it out a little bit side to side a few times before we find that other stretch on the other side. Leaning the upper body forwards, keeping the abs engaged. Maybe the fingertips find the mat. And maybe you notice a difference on this second side. And let's inhale to lift our way back up. Turn your left toes forwards for warrior two as we bend into that left leg, arms extended. Looking over your left fingertips. And then inhale to reverse your warrior. And exhale, side angle, bringing forearm to your front thigh and reaching the right arm up and over. And back to warrior two. Exhale, reverse it. Inhale, warrior two, and exhale, side angle bend. And last time to warrior two, reverse it. Back through warrior two and side angle bend. And then extend through that left leg. Bring both toes facing forwards, now hands on your hips. Inhale to look up, and exhale to swan dive the upper body forwards. Again, you choose hands on hips or fingertips to the mat. Shake out the neck a little bit in this standing forward folds. And again, squeeze the abs as we inhale our way back up. Turn the right set of toes to the outside for that warrior two flow, extending through both arms and bending into that front leg. On your next inhale, turn the palm of the right hand to face the sky and reverse your warrior. Coming back through warrior two, plant the forearm to your front thigh and reach the left arm up and over. And two more times just like this. Warrior two. Reverse it. Back through warrior two. Left arm reaches up and over. And last time, reversing. And then finding that side angle. One long line. And back through warrior two and extend that front leg. Wonderful. And we'll come back into a standing forward fold. You can take exactly the same variation if you'd like, or with both sets of toes facing forwards, clasp the hands behind the back. Inhale to look up. And exhale to fold forwards, bringing your clasped hands up and over behind you, as if you wanted to touch your pinkies to the mat behind your head. One can always dream. And then allow those clasped hands to lift you back up, straightening out the spine, crown of the head reaching tall as we toe heel the feet back in towards one another, just keeping about a palm print in between those feet. And we'll simply lift the heels and lower them again a couple of times. strengthening through the balls of the feet, a little bit of energy before they carry us around for the rest of the day, and then just widen those feet, just step it out, shaking a little bit side to side. And all together, let's inhale the arms up towards the sky, and exhale the hands back down to prayer in front of the chest. I do hope you enjoyed this standing sequence. It can be really nice some days just to not need any equipment, not place any weight on the wrists. And I would love to know if you would like more standing practices. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel so that we can practice together again soon. And have a wonderful rest of your day.